can I please have an activity that you would like to do? Kung lahat ng pera nasa iyo, you had all the time in the world, anything at all. Hunting? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Miss Hunting 2024! Let's welcome our contestants as they approach the stage. Andito na po ang 4 na finalists ng Miss Hunting 2024.
Good evening. Good evening. Hello. My name is Talia Jimena Dermina. You can call me
Taxidermy. Thank you, contestant number 1. Contestant number 2.
Hello everyone, I volunteer tonight because my name is Katrina Ninissim Everdinlissim. You can call me Katniss Everdeen.
Thank you very much, Katniss. Contestant number 3.
Hello. Good evening, coming from the mountains of Colorado. My name is Belvedere Mitra. You may call me Dear Meat.
Thank you very much, Dear Meat. And contestant number 4.
Hello, everybody. Good evening. My name is Patricia Isagani Tolentino. You can call me Pistol. I'm 5 years old. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Pistol. Sino ang unang judge natin?
Yes, we have our very first judge, the very first crowned Miss Hunting. Siya po ang nakapag-imbento ng way of taxidermy without using formalin. Ladies and gentlemen, our former Miss Hunting, Miss Pat B.
My question for you is, what is your favorite weapon?
Favorite weapon? Let's begin with contestant number 1.
I love it. My favorite weapon is a sharp mind. Because you know, hunting is very much frowned upon, especially now in this time of global warming. Ang pinaglalaban ng mga tao ngayon na ang susi sa food security ay veganism. Pero alam nyo ba na kapag sustainable ang inyong hunting and farming practices, makakakain ng lahat. Pati ang carnivores and omnivores, like most of you. Dahil marami kayo nakita ko, meron kayong karne sa table. And that's okay. Because as bilingual, at least bilingual people, marunong tayo pareho mag-English and Filipino, which is why I can code switch like this. And alam nyo ba na bilingual eaters din kayo? Dahil kaya kayo meron both canine and molars. And therefore, a sharp mind is able to discern what it is that is good for your body. At dahil dyan, sa National Geographic, Journal number 82, issue number 53, doon sa 3rd paragraph, ang sabi doon ay, I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved. Walang attachment sa hunting.
Thank you very much, contestant number 1. Contestant number 2.
Thank you, Judge, for that question. You know, from where I came from, the field, it's very strategic. You would think that people would choose their weapon as arrow and bow, but not me. Because, you know, with all of the players and the volunteers, they would ask you things. And my favorite weapon is clear communication. I see you agreeing because clear communication amidst that manipulative environment, emotionally and mentally, if you give them clear and straight answers such as, do you want to die? Yes. They would think you are plotting something. But am I not just being clear? So when that gunshot and the next dead volunteer will be announced, the last line from my mouth, I cry a lot, but I am so productive. Yes.
Thank you very much, contestant number 2. Contestant number 3.
You know, Judge, even though I always carry around with me my gun, my favorite weapon is my patience. Because that is how I always get my kill. Because some contestants here, like contestant number 1, nakasabay ko na yan sa sa hunting expedition. Naririnig ko siya sa boses, ang tagal. Lagi ko siya ganyan. Wala siyang patience. Hindi siya makakahuli. That is not a good example for hunters. Patience is the exact virtue that we need. Because patience will always
Ang tagal.
let it go, let it go. Don't hold it back anymore. Wag nang ibang isipin pa. Patience.
Thank you, contestant number 3. Same question, contestant number 4.
Hello, Judge Pat. Thank you for your question. If you remember, Judge Pat, you were there at my baptism. That's why I'm named Pat, because I'm named after you. You're actually my ninang. I hope this does not destroy my chances of winning, albeit it's a little bit nepo baby. That said, as a child prodigy of hunting, I believe in the pistol because it is humane. It kills fast, it kills quick, it kills clean. And you know what you told me in my baptism? I remember, that's how smart I am. You said, ay, pag-ibig nakakakilig, parang sine. I agree, Ninang. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 4. We would like to ask the contestants to turn around and hold their numbers up high. Ladies and gentlemen, kayo po yung pipili kung sino ang matatanggal. Please, hold up the number of the contestant you want out. At wag matakot, they cannot see you. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause.
Ang tagal.